Egameni lenkosi yami Jesu Kristu. Njengoba sathi ukuthi umuntu wakhiwa iziculo ezintathu, umoya, umphefumulo, inyama. Then Sathane nakahlasela umuntu usebenzisa timpi letimbili. There is this spiritual army and there is this physical army. The spiritual side Sathane ngilapho asihlasele khona emaphusheni naletinye indlela. Then ngilapho khona kusebenza khona umthandazo, ilivi laNkulunkulu, uzila and so on. Then on the army that is attacking the body, Sathane usebenzisa what I will say what we are consuming. Lokufaka ekhathi umusic, lesikubukelako, lesikulalelako, lesikufundzako, nalesikudlako. For example, nawungasi uyanaka kulama soaps and lama TV programs nje, utawukhanza ukuthi lama programs lawo they are promoting ikakhulu butabane, bapromota bugwadla, bapromota bugebengu, bapromota nje ukuthi nawungasi uyalandelela they akakhulu ukuthi lona sojulana abantu uyamchithela nomfana utsandzana nomfana. That nonsense thing, that is another weapon ya Satan. Sikhali leso Satan lasebenzisako to destroy a person. And another weapon that the devil is using music. What is it that you are listening? The music. It is powerful. And another weapon, it is what you read. Ingako uNkulunkulu aveda ukuthi lamava lencwadi makangesuki etindzebeni temlomo wakho, utawuzindla ngayo emihla nemalanga, because what you are reading goes to your mind, uzindla ngayo. Then another weapon that is attacking the flesh, it is food, what we are consuming. Food, it's a very, very secret weapon that the devil is using to destroy bantu emhlabeni. That is why uNkulunkulu avete amagama ukuthi bantu bami bayabhujiswa ngenxa yekuswela lwati. Because food, now ufunza incwadzini utawukhanza like eBhayibhelini utawukhanza ngalinye ilanga Daniela, Shadrach, Meshach na Abednego bacela ukuthi bangadli lokudla labakhethelwe kona, bacela kudla lokuthide. Then emva kwesikhathi lesithide ke bathi nabahlolwa batholakala ukuthi bangilabangcono kakhulu kunalabanye. Food is very important. You must eat healthy food. Because bantu bayabhubha gamele ukuthi bona bayatichaza, they are enjoying. Utichaza ngani? Most of this food is poisonous, but akubonakali. It's a weapon that the devil is using to destroy umuntu, because the purpose of the devil it is to destroy the soul. So if the body is weak, if the body is sick, then it's very easy for the devil to destroy the soul.